Welcome to myprojectbuzzer.com. Our project title is Insider Collusion Attack on Privacy Preserving Kernel-Based Data Mining Systems. Let me see the abstract. Among several known data breaching problems, those associated with insider attacks have been rising significantly, making this one of the fastest growing types of security breaches. Once considered a negligible concern, insider attacks have risen to be one of the top 3 general data violations. Insider related research involving the distribution of kernel-based data mining is limited, resulting in substantial vulnerabilities in designing protection and against collaborative organizations. Prior works often fall short by addressing a multifactorial model that is more limited in scope and implementations than addressing insider within an organization colliding with outsiders. Recover the original data from message transmission among organizations. This attack requires only accessibility to a few data entries within the organizations rather than requiring the encrypted administrative privileges typically found in the distribution of data mining scenarios. Let me see the flow diagram in our process. Then start the process, extract the bug data set, store the database. The training bug data set use FS and IS binary classifiers, word and bug dimension. Classify the bug data set from new data set. Go to the store the new data set into database. Register the developer information stored in database. Reported the bug, then if bug new or fix, then new bug. Analysis the bug data set developer performances. Analysis the bug existing. Select the developer, assign the bug to developer, then use FS and IS. Enter the status of bug. Check the developer's status. Unsatisfied, go to assign to the another person. Go to use FS and IS. Satisfied, go to resolved. Analysis the accuracy. Crop to display performance. The process is end. This is another process. Go to user details, to put the user name and select user ID. Automatically generated this. Then to choose the date of birth and go to the gender to provide a field of work C++ Java.NET to choose the field and to choose the position, then mail ID. Another process, the interest field debugging, then company and qualification. Go to the data set to provide the data set in our locations, then to provide the data set, to choose the data set, then load the data set. The next process, go to the table of Eclipse and Mozilla to choose the Eclipse product name. Eclipse included the some product name CDT, GDT, BDE and platform. To choose the BDE dataset, to the table's name Eclipse PDF datasets, bugs and collisions. To merge the table, bug ID, bug status component, bug ID to generate the bug ID, bug status new and already fixed, then unsatisfied, then component UI core and build. Update the table. selected the table and go to the report ID to choose the report ID, reporter name, company name, Eclipse or Mozilla, then component, to choose the report ID, then choose the company and select the product in this company, CDT, BDF, and this. Another process, component, what component it will utilize this page, then operating systems, Windows all, using this all together to view the bug ID, bug status. And another process bug assign to choose the assign ID, then go to the ID, bug ID, assign, and email, reporter ID, reporter date, bug status, component, product, priority, all details display this. Then display the component. And next process, another process, go to the bug status to choose the assign ID, then assign completed. Then another process is product to represent the graph, Eclipse CDT, Mozilla Bugzilla, then Mozilla Feedback, Mozilla Firebox. Another process, go to the status graph. Status is assigned length, changed length, and completed the length. Stop the process.